If you're searching for a top-of-the-line grill for 2022, then you should definitely check out NorCal Fire Grill. They offer some of the best grills on the market and they're sure to last you through the years. Their grills feature high-grade stainless steel construction, so you can be sure that they'll be durable and able to handle the elements. Plus, they come with a range of features that are sure to make grilling a breeze. You'll find adjustable temperature control, electronic ignition systems, and porcelain-coated cooking grates for easy cleanup. You can also choose from a variety of sizes and designs, so whether you're looking for a small portable grill for camping trips or a larger model for entertaining guests in your backyard, NorCal Fire Grill has something for everyone. And with their competitive prices, you won't have to break the bank either. So if you're looking for the best grills for 2022, be sure to check out NorCal Fire Grill. With their top-of-the-line grills and range of features, you can be sure you're getting the best quality grill that will last you through the years.